All right, party people, this is another trading day, and we'll see how this thing plays out. I'm up $1,000. I was up 1,400 on this one, but it's doing a little small pullback, so we'll see how that plays out. This one here is pulling back not nicely, so I'm down 400 on that one. And this one is doing the same thing. It's just doing a short pullback. Actually, no. I think I didn't put my stop in the right place, so I got tapped. Should have put it right here. So we'll see how this plays out. So I got tapped on that one. No big deal. I'll wait for it to break back up. If it goes back up, rather. So I might just take my money and run right here. All right, I'm going to take this 940. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my money right there and wait for another close candle over the top. All right, and this one has not hit my stop yet. So we shall see. And my stop should be right here at the dotted lines. So we'll see how that goes. I think it's just doing a pullback and then it'll plow back up. All right, so on this one, I'm gonna wait on. I'm gonna wait and see if this one go ahead and bring back up across the line at the top. If not, it's all good. Another day, another dollar. Make it scream and holler. All right, so let's see what happens with this candle here. Again, I'm gonna wait for a close candle. See, pull back. This one I had my stop in the wrong place. I should have had it right there, and I would have came here, but I wouldn't have been tapped out. That's on me. See these dotted lines right there? That's where I should have put my stop. I put it too close. No worries. All right, let's see. All right, we got another candle here. So if this candle close stays above here, I'm going to go ahead and re-enter. Already made like 900 on this position. We got 1 minute left. I think overall it's going to be an up day, but like I said, it's doing a little pullback. That's fine. So this one here is still sitting there. And the markets are just the way I like them, nice and calm. Let's check on gold. Gold ain't talking about nothing. All right. So let's see if this one does it. I'll hop back in. It's doing a pullback, but this should be an update. But again, hey, you just do what the markets tell us. You know what I mean? You don't do what you want to do. You do what you're told to do in this business. Let's see what you're talking about. And if the rest are doing a pullback, then that means you are too. So again, the candle did not close above. So therefore, I am not going to worry about it. So this one may be the one. I'm going to shrink my head a bit. Move my head out the way. All right, we got a minute on that one. This one tends to follow the NAS. Yeah, I ain't talking about nothing. So it'll be between y'all two. Gold ain't talking about nothing. It's still sitting still. All right, so that's what I meant. See? So we got 55 seconds. Patience pays the bills. If I re-enter this trade, I'm just going to pause the video and I'll come back later, because it's going to be a slow day. All right, we got 30 seconds on that. See, I'm still not tapped out. Still good on that one. So if that pushes up, then I'll be back positive again on that one. Overnight in London, it had a good time partying. All right, what do we see? Do you close above for me? All right, and it looks like we're going to have a close above, so I'm going to re-enter. Bing, I'm in on this trade. All right, I'm going to put my stop. Now, since it's already retested, I'm going to put it a little bit lower. I'm going to put it right underneath that candle right there. So I'm going to go here. I'm in a buy trade, so of course I'm going to do the opposite and say I sell stop. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put my take profit right here, sell limit, and we are off to the races financially. We're in the money. And you can see this one is coming back up as well. So that's good. See, I wouldn't have got stopped out on that YM if I would have followed my rules or had it way too close. But since this one's already retested now, I'm going to put it right below this low and let it ride. Okay, and let's wait for YM. YM should be catching up soon. Going to the upside. And there we are. See, 250 in the pause. In the pause. There we go. Money is running. See, this is why you need guidance. Some of you guys, you think, oh, I'm just going to grab the indicator and do things on my own. No, you need a little guidance, because the market can still be tricky. Okay? You'll find out. Try to do things on your own. I'm going to be a system and use their strategy, and you get broken up because you don't know what's going on, people. 565. There we go. We got a runner. We got a rabbit, as they say in SWAT. We got a rabbit. We got a rabbit. Oh, and there we go. See, I was down 400. See, patience. See, there we go. We got it. We got it. We got it. Now we just want this one here. Let's check on gold. See if gold talking about something. It ain't talking about nothing right now. Okay, so we're just waiting for a close candle above this one. And then I'll be in on this trade as well. Yep, come on across. Come on across. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let me do something real quick while we're just sitting there waiting. I'm going to make these small. I'll make my lines thinner. There we go. And click save. All right, there we go. So we can really see you. Okay, we got a minute and some change on you, so we can wait. You're up 700. Yeah, baby. Keep on going. 87 bucks. Remember I was down 400? See? Patience pays the bills. I'm going to move my stop up a bit. I'll leave it right here. Patience. See? You need a little guidance. A little guidance will help. So you understand what's happening. Okay? A little guidance. That's all you need. Just a little guidance with the right tools and a little guidance. That's what you need. That's why you need to join Futrix, so you'll be live in sessions with us so we can kind of guide you through things like this so you don't freak out. A lot of people lost money. A lot of people lost money. But not us. And you missed a live class with Miss Jenny this morning. Bye. Well, I don't know if I want to join or not. I don't know. I don't know. Well, okay. Keep on waiting. All right, so I'm waiting on a closed candle on this one. And like I said, I'm not going to run the whole video because I'm going to head out. I got things to do. But I got my stop loss and take profit in place. I'm just waiting to see if this one will give me an entry. All right, so we're up 7 on this one. All right, so I'm going to move my stop up. Right to here. Give it some breathing room. I think this one will run all the way. I'll put you right there. All right. Okay, we're good. So I'm gonna move my stop up on you, right there. Okay. And move my stop up. Let's spread you up and see. All right, I'm gonna move my stop up right here. Okay, we're good there. And just let it ride on up for the rest of the day. All right, we got to close. I'm in. All right, I'm gonna put my stop below this level right here. And I'm going to put in a sell stop. And I'm going to put in my sell limit. And we are in this one as well. And there we go. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video because, like I said, you know, I'm not going to sit here all day waiting on it. It's going to be a while. The markets are moving slow, but that's what you want. You want it nice and slow, baby. Nice and slow. Take it slow. Going upstairs to the bedroom, nice and slow. Nice and slow. Slow it down, baby. 750, 755. See, nice and slow. Just take it slow. All right, we up behind it. And let this one push on up to our target. I see my double topper. So once this breaks here, then we are off to the races on that one as well. So, like I said, positive day, nice positive day. You know, another day, another dollar, make it scream and holler. So again, this is an example video of why you need to be in a live session so you can get some guidance, because many of you guys would have freaked out, you would have lost, you would have did this and that because you didn't understand what was going on. You didn't understand the directional bias for the day and all those kind of things. So again, guys, hey, just join futures. You know, it's dirt cheap. But you'll make a lot of money in a day. Like right here, you've already paid for your monthly membership with that one little bit. One little $100 paid for your monthly membership for the whole month. You know what I mean? And you with me and Miss Jenny. So, you know, that's that. That's that. See, that $100, that paid for your monthly membership. That was it. Less than $100. Also, by the way, guys, those for those who's in the copycat, we're still on fire. Dr. Paisley is killing it. He's doing a wonderful job. Oil and silver. Also, I've seen a couple of winning trades on the JPY pairs, NZD, JPY, and no, actually, let me check this real quick, and I'll let y'all go. Let's see. I was checking it out. Okay, so NZD, JPY just closed out, and we're just waiting for the rest of them. They're still floating, so we'll see how that goes. All right. So another good day, another good day, another good day, another good day, another good day. So all right, so if this one is 225, that means this one is nice. All right, so I'm gonna move my stop up above my entry. So therefore, it's a risk-free trade on that one. Risk-free. That's always a beautiful thing, huh? Risk-free trades. All right, I'm gonna move my stop up a bit right here. All right, and you were just sitting there doing absolutely nothing, which is fine, but I'll put you up right here and let it go. I think I'm gonna let it roll. All right. So it's going to double top, and then this one's going to push up to the upside as well. So. Yep, let it roll, let it roll, let it roll. Yep, let it roll. Slow, nice and slow. Nice and slow. Okay, well, that's that, the boys and girls. That's that. The market is enjoying itself today. Thank you, Jesus. And that's that. We're looking nice. Break above this candle and get on up to that TPZ. 955. 955. Go on break above. Show them that G stack right there on that one. $25 more. 25 more. Nah, $10 more. $10 more. $10 more. There it is. Boom. Told y'all. Off to the races. There it is. There it is. Bing. 400. Just like that, y'all. See? See what I mean? See how it was sitting stuck right here? Sitting stuck, and now it broke above. So it's going to be a nice little day. Nice profitable day. Thank you, Father. Thank you for a profitable day. And my stop loss is above my entry. So this is a risk-free trade right here. All right. And that's nice. This is really, really nice day. A little something. Not big day, but, you know, it's a nice day. All right, guys. That's this video. See you in the next one.